Alright, I'm back with sub duels. Win or lose, I post. If you're new and like to see more videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you all for subscribing. If you want to duel me, be in the video. I want to join the Yugioh Pro Tournament. See the description for more information. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's link into the brains. Alright. Okay, let me ready up here and dude! Oh crap.
Let's just hope to get a good hand.
How's that Dueling Nexus extension working for you there, Kobe?
Pretty good.
Pretty good, huh? Yeah, I need to make a video on how to actually do the extension. There's no videos on YouTube right now. Like a video tutorial. Like you could change everything. You could change your sleeves, background. Oh, what is this?
Domain monarchs. Really doesn't do anything unless I have tributes on the monster. Which I don't.
It's special. Special. I don't even have a tuner. Oh, that's a rock. Special. Special, normal, activate. Use this guy. We get a level 4 tuner, yeah. If your opponent controls more monsters than you do, you can summon this card from your hand. Dino Wrestler Pancratops. And then special. What is going on? Nope. Right here. If you have no monsters in your graveyard, you can special summon this card from your hand. Madolche Petting Cessor. Normal summon Doki Doki. What's that?
Why don't you run another Madolche so she can special summon it from the deck?
Because I never made this deck. I just copied this deck.
Oh. Yeah.
Doki Doki, discard one rock monster, special summon from your deck one rock monster that has the same original attribute and level as that monster in face up attack position or face down defense position. That would be the statue of Easter Island. I need a tuner, which is Adamancipator Analyzer. Activate its effect. Give me a level 4 non-tuner rock. It's not gonna give me it, is it? Damn it. Put back those in that order at the bottom. Man, Tank is a 26er though. Crap. Now I have too much monsters and not enough time. Activate Pancratops. Oh, it's a card. Into your monster. Okay. Gotta hurry up here.
I need a fat drop
1
destiny.
and 2. needle fiber, O-line, link cross, effect, 2 tokens, 1, 2, martial metal marcher, effective marcher, and wait, effective marcher. Let me get analyzer back, and then effective O-line. I'll get a level 3 token. Okay. Why can't I do? I'll just go for Herald of the Arclight. Okay, now I could do Link Spider, Union Carrier with those 2. Synchro Shoken. Whoa, Savage. Savage effect. Equip. Needle fiber. Gains counters, 2 counters, and have to attack. Union Carrier. Target Savage. Oh, it's already in my hand. There we go. Battle.
I need to drop this knee.
Union
I get
Carrier.
what I'm looking for.
Direct attack. Savage direct attack. What'd you say?
I got my 8 cards in my deck. Oh, thank God. Let's go. I'll defend the domain. I can reduce the level of 1 tribute summon monster in my hand by 2.
Oh, by 2. So you could just normal summon it?
Kinda. I mean, it just be really required 1 less tribute to summon.
Oh, okay. That's not happening. Warlord Savage Dragon. Remove a Boral counter to negate that.
And I'll do activate monster on Froth. If I would tribute a monster, I can tribute one of your monsters, even though if I do not control it.
Herald of the Arclight. Tribute himself. That's not happening.
Jeez. Swear, I was good. So reset. I drew that card. It's not expected.
Normal summon. Seeker. Seeker effect. Give. Oh, there's one. Yeah, this is gonna be Tackle Crusader. Yes. Wait a minute. No, I can't do that. It's gonna be Tackle Crusader. This is already game right here. I want to see if I could chance it here. I'm gonna go for a Raptite. Attack Crusader's effect. Target one face-up spell trap, return it to the hand. That's going to be your domain of the true monarch. Trap type. Give me a level 2. There it is. I want to Dragite right away here. Yes. Yep. Oh wait, I could do Researcher. Still level 2. I'm just going to be able to activate Researcher's effect. It's going to be Doki Doki. And attack. First, let's go for a Dragite. Synchro Shoken. Activate its effect. Oh, give me some rocks. That's 1. That's all I need is 1 to bounce back. If you had 4, I would have been able to bounce back 4.
I mean, I guess I could draw a better card than that anyway. No. Literally, any card other than that card is invoked. I'm choosing.
I still had another level 6. Ah, it's okay.
You're just beating a dead bush.
Battle. Warlord, Savage Dragon. Finisher. Next round. Okay. I'm good. Siding completed. How's that Dueling Nexus extension doing for you again?
Pretty good.
Pretty good, huh? Yeah, I noticed one of my friends there. He did a video. Gangster of Games is his YouTube channel. Joe, if you're watching, thanks for doing that video. He did a video and he did the extension. Like what? How do you get the log? How do you get the chat log? How do you get the event log? I'm like,
it's either gonna be.
there's something about extensions, and I'm like, what? I tried it on my other laptop, it works. I didn't do it on this one yet though. And then I told you about it.
If I do anything, cards have failed me.
4 back row. 4.
I could make a comment.
4 back row. Or back row and the monster set.
So, I can't.
Oh, that is a tuner. That is a tuner. Oh, I could still go for it. I can activate Tenyi Spirit Adhara. If you control no effects monster, you can special summon this card from your hand. Alrighty. Oh, I could still activate this guy and then normal this guy. Why?
Too quick. Gotta wait.
Whoa. If you control no monsters in your graveyard, you can special summon this card. Dolce Petting Sister. I can still normal summon, but I don't really have anything to normal summon. I'll save that for last. See if I can. I'll go for a Link Shoken. Christian, I'll get 5 bracks. I'll get 5 bracks effect. I'll get Bull Lion. One Link 2 or higher monster. Link Cross, activate effect. Since Christian was a Link 2, I can special summon up to 2 Link tokens. Then I will synchro Shoken. Martial Metal Marcher, activate Marcher's effect. I will special summon back a tuner, which is O-Lion, and then when O-Lion hits the grave, we'll get a level 3 token. This is a tuner, right? That is a tuner.
Use the counter here. I did not draw a single. How many?
How can I go for a Raptide here? 4. Oh, yeah, that's a Raptide right there. No, I don't want to do that. Herald of the Arclight. If I normal summon this guy, can I do... I can't even do that, son of a... No, I can't. I thought I was gonna be able to do Herald, that token, and one. Oh, but that's also a tuner. Yeah, mother. Really? I screwed up.
Unless I draw like one card, it doesn't matter. Oh, wait, it wouldn't matter to begin with because I don't even. Well, I mean, I guess. Yes, you can continue the link, please.
One, two. Okay. Block Dragon. 1, 2, 3. Battle.
I guess I'm not dead, but I'm not winning either.
Block Dragon, attack your face down.
Where are my monsters? That's what I want to ask. Oh god, no monsters.
Bow of the Goddess.
Bro, that helps so much. Oh my. Protects my tribute summon monsters, which I don't know if you know, but there ain't any.
Herald negate.
Oh, I get the effect because of chains, I guess. Doesn't matter because I can't do anything. Woo.
You can still activate that without it tributing. Okay.
It would be nice if I had monster tribute. I swear, bro. Let me. How much monsters do I have in my deck?
Yeah,
I got plenty monsters. I did not draw a single one.
Normal summon Kawakimeru. Guardian.
4 ways out.
Battle.
4. After that, it would have been over.
Guardian. Direct attack.
Right.
Block Dragon. Direct attack. Appaloosa, Bow of the Goddess. Finish. That's game? Okay, that's game. Thank you, jkkobe8 for the duel. And sub if you liked it, like if you subbed it. See you guys.